The following displays a shape created by using building blocks. So these are nothing more than just, say, wooden blocks piled up. Up to how many building blocks can be taken out without changing the top, front, and side views. Of course, if you take a block out from here, it will look different. But if you see straight from the top, straight from the side, and straight from the front, then you may not notice. For some students, this is very easy. For some others, it's hard to visualize. So I made this animation for you to see here. So here's the block that they are talking about. This is your test problem. Now, the front view is this. If you see, I didn't mean to turn that way. So the front view is this. If you see straight from the front, like that. That's the front view. Now, you would not notice if a building block was missing. Take a look. This, and these are radically different things, as you can see here. But if I see the front view, they look the same. Right? So a lot of blocks could be missing here. And yet, you may not notice from the front view. But if I see the side view, of course it was clear that it's missing. Look at that. How can you not notice? So the trick is, it has to look the same whether you look from front, back, or side. So here, the way I just did it, passes the front view test, but fails all other views. Actually, passes the top view test. Well, it looks the same to me, right? But the idea is to pass all of it. So, obviously, this failed the side view test. So, not good enough. All right, let's try the next guy here. So now, this time, I want to make it pass the side view test. Look at that. Who could tell they're different, right? Well, it looks almost identical to me, right? But it also passes the top view test, by the way. If I do the top view, you may not believe me, but when I go there, you will see, hey, it looks the same. Nothing's missing, right? But of course, it will fail the front view test miserably. If I do the front view like that, let's see if I can orient it that way. Well, of course, nothing like it, so it failed. So we are having a lot of failures here. Let me show you what I failed here. So here I had lined up for the front view, but it failed on side view. I made it for the side view, but I failed in front view. So now you get the idea. Why don't we pad here as well? In other words, do this. Aha, I'm going to pass front view and side view. Would I? Let me see. Here, obviously I passed the front view. And I will pass the side view. So this got to be the one they're looking for. And it passes the top view as well. If I see it from the top here, oh, they look the same. You see? Okay, but the thing is, do I need this block here? This corner one? See, even if I took it out here, it would not be missed because it's not visible from the side and it's not visible from the front. So I get clever and I remove that block here, right? Now it's missing. The idea about this problem is to remove as much as possible. So need I show you the front view and side view? Well, here it is. Looks all right. Side view looks all right. Top view looks all right. So it seems to be the solution. So if that's the case, how many did I remove? Well, out of these blocks here, let me show you the sideways so that you can view. I mean perspective so that you can view here. I am missing how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Is that best I can do? Can I take one more out and not notice? Well, if you look at here, no matter which one I took out, it will be noticed either from the side or from the front. But there's a way to arrange this so that one block can work as a front and side. Can you think of it? Just see if you can think of it. I can take one out and move one so that it will not be noticed from the side or front. It is, ready? This. If I do it this way, see, I took one out and I move this guy toward here, then I don't notice a thing. If I see from the side, it's, whoa, looks perfect. See? Who could tell? This has a annoying tendency of growing. So here. Okay, so side view passed. Should we see the top view? Top view always passed because we didn't take anything from the bottom side here. So, right, it looks all right. And then the burning question is the front view. Front looked like this. And shall we look at the front? Aha! Nothing's missing as far as we are seeing here. So, this is the solution. So how many did we remove? We removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we could remove 8 of them and still have the same view as I showed you. Taking such a long time. So, what's the answer? Shall we do it a traditional way? It looks so low tech now. We could get rid of these, right? And then this. So therefore, I removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can remove 8 of them.